Hi, this is James Christian Jr. I'm here actually in the East Village right now. I'm on my way to see Mark Harvoth at the Tompkins Square Park dog park. Apparently there's a thing about socks and the rescue mission. Something or rather. I'm just going down there to do some service of what I can do. It's a nice day. It's cold and windy, so okay, I'm recording right now. Hey, Mark.
Hey,
You're on my vlog officially. Oh,
All
my
right.
goodness.
Nice.
Hi.
Good
And what are you doing? What's your name?
Tim.
Tim. We're doing a Vine today. 7 seconds of me stuffing my socks with newspaper, which I said a while back, and now I'm just doing it for that. There's other people here who are helping out. We're at the dog park. Oh my goodness. I haven't been down here for years. Okay, they're walking away. They're talking about, what we should do. But anyways, yeah, we're here. I'm preparing. That's one of the things I'm going to do. But also, it's for Hanes. See, there's a bag of Hanes socks. And more people. Well, I showed them before. Anyways, okay, we just finished a Vine shoot of me shoving newspaper into my socks because several months ago somebody told me that the carbon in the newspaper absorbs the odor, impurities, and all that. So that's what I do sometimes, especially when I don't have socks to put on. So Hanes is uploading a Vine video, and I'll put that below. But anyways, we're just
Video blog bomb. Video blog bomb.
it's cool hanging out with Mark. I'm just gonna follow him around. He's gonna hand out socks, and it's a nice day, so it's kind of cold. So hopefully we find enough people here at the dog park. Talk to you later. It's getting cold, and I'm actually hungry, and I had 2 cups of coffee, and it's drilling in my stomach. So I have to go find something to eat. But before I do, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get Mark by himself so I can do a short interview on him, just to introduce to you guys the guy who actually gave me this tablet a few months ago. Yeah, so I'm really chilled. So I'm going to let them do their thing, the Hanes people, and that's it. All right, Mark Harvoth.
Hey everybody.
This is the guy who got me this tablet, which is recording him and me. We just did a Vine shoot, and right now they're just going around giving socks.
So every year, Hanes does this really cool thing where they give hundreds of thousands of socks away to our friends across the country.
Oh, wow.
And James came down to help us today in Tompkins Square Park.
It was a lot of fun.
And you had fun?
Yes.
Oh,
my feet are a star.
His feet are a star, and it's all to help our friends across the country get fresh, clean Hanes socks.
Encouraging. Good warm feet.
Good warm feet. I like it.
Yeah. Well, anyways, Mark, I just want to thank you so much for always showing up and giving me.
We can't do soup this time, though. We'll do it another time because you got to go to New Jersey.
Yes, I got to go to Hoboken tonight.
His fault, no soup.
Well, anyways, again, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.